Rumor has it that Albert Einstein made up an impossibly difficult riddle when he was just a kid. The rumor earned the popular logic puzzle the nickname Einstein's Riddle. Einstein said that 98% of the world's population would not be able to solve it. Let's try. Here is the riddle. There are 5 houses that are each a different color. There is a person of a different nationality in each house. The 5 owners drink a certain drink. They each eat a certain brand of chocolate and also have a certain pet. No owner has the same pet, eats the same brand of chocolate, nor drinks the same drink. The question is, who has the fish? The British man lives in the red house. The Swedish man has a dog for a pet. The Danish man drinks tea. The green house is to the left of the White House. The owner of the green house drinks coffee. The person eats Pall Mall has a bird. The owner of the yellow house eats Dunhill. The person that lives in the middle house drinks milk. The Norwegian lives in the first house. The person who eats blend lives next to the one that has a cat. The person who has a horse lives next to the one who eats Dunhill. The one who eats Blue Master drinks beer. The German eats Prince. The Norwegian lives next to a blue house. The person who eats blend has a neighbor who drinks water. The question is, who has the fish? What do we know? We have 5 nationalities. We have 5 houses. We have 5 pets. We have 5 drinks. We have 5 chocolates. Let's fill in what we know. Let's start with the houses. There are a few details we know right away. The owner of the middle house number 3 drinks milk. The Norwegian lives in the first house. The Norwegian lives next door to the blue house, which means house number 2 is blue, since the Norwegian is on the far left. Now, with these in place, we can think more about what we know about position. There is one peculiar detail. Did you spot it? Here it is, the green house is on the immediate left of the White House. This is important. The owner of the green house drinks coffee, so the green house can't be the middle house since its owner drinks milk. And further, since the blue house is the second house, the green and white can't be the first or second, since green is immediately left of white, so they must be the 4th and 5th, respectively. Knowing this, a few more pieces fall into place. The owner of the green house drinks coffee, that's house 4. The Brit lives in the red house, which means the remaining color, yellow, must be the Norwegian's house. This also means the Brit lives in the 3rd, red, house. The second detail makes another piece fall into place. The owner of the yellow house, Norwegian, eats Dunhill. Now, we know the man who keeps horses lives next to the man who eats Dunhill, so since the Norwegian eats Dunhill, that means house number 2's owner must keep horses. It might look like we've hit a wall here. In a way, we have, because this is where the puzzle gets tricky, and that's why it's nicknamed Einstein's Riddle. At this point, we can eliminate some of the possibilities based on what we know. The man who eats Blue Master drinks beer, so the Norwegian can't drink beer because he eats Dunhill. The Dane drinks tea, so the Norwegian can't drink tea either, which means the only possibility is that he drinks water. Next, we can eliminate some more. The Dane drinks tea, so he can't be in house 4. The Swede keeps dogs as pets, so house number 1, the Norwegian, can't keep dogs, nor house that's in 3, and house number 2 can't be the Swede, since its owner keeps horses. The man who eats blend has a neighbor who drinks water, and since we know now the Norwegian drinks water, this means house number 2, the only neighbor, must eat blend. Now, knowing that house number 2's owner eats blend opens another door. The owner who eats blue master drinks beer, so this can't be house number 2 and can only be house number 5, which also means that house number 5's owner eats blue master. The German eats prince, so that means number 2's owner must be the Dane. We're almost there. The German eats prince, which leaves only house number 4 for him, and means house number 5 has to be the Swede, which also means the Brit eats Pall Mall. The owner who eats Pall Mall, as we now know, the Brit, keeps the bird. The owner who eats blend lives next door to the one who keeps cats, so this must be the Norwegian in house number 1, since we just found out the other neighbor, house number 3, keeps a bird. And the linchpin, the Swede keeps dog as pet, which means the German keeps fish. And there you have it. Pure logic leads the way. If you worked this all out on your own, pat yourself on the back. You're doing great. See you next time.
Toddler in action is the learning interaction. Subscribe to our channel and learn with us.